Hey everybody, it's Kara. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. In today's video, we are doing another juice. This juice is going to be for blood purification and circulation as well as energy. We are using these ingredients: 4 beets, ginger, 2 apples, 2 cucumbers, and some lemon. And in this recipe, I'm going to be going over some things that I noticed using the new juicer and using the beet greens. So let's first talk about how amazing this recipe is as you watch the process of the juice. So I had this juice this afternoon before my workout, and it was extremely energizing. As well for my husband, we both had the same juice, and my youngest son, he had the juice as well. Now, when we get our proper rest, energy is not a problem. I got my proper rest today or last night, and this morning I woke up feeling really good, and I had about 16 ounces of this juice for breakfast, and I felt even more energized. So this is the number one benefit for this. In addition, this is the benefit in terms of what the juice offers. Now, the vegetables, obviously, the antioxidants, the anti-inflammatory properties from the ginger, it made the recipe spicy or have a bite, which I love. My husband and my youngest son didn't hate it, but it wasn't their favorite part. But I added a lot of ginger to this recipe. Like I said in the beginning, I started by adding the less tough produce first. That's why we don't see the redness of the ginger. I did add the beet greens to this recipe. When I put the beet greens into the hopper, though, they ended up getting stuck. So I don't know if this is a Kuvings Auto 10 thing, or if it's just a beet green thing. I didn't chop them up. I maybe should have chopped them up, but there are tons of nutrients in the actual beet greens. So back in the day, I used to actually chop the beet greens off and chop them up and like saute them. But I figured, let me go ahead and juice them. It didn't work out that great. So I ended up taking them out, and they weren't a big part of the recipe. That last pour that you saw, that was the initial pour rather, and I ended up adding this orange based on the flavor. I had my husband do a taste test, so I added 2 oranges to the recipe, just to add a tiny bit of sweetness to the recipe. So all of the original ingredients, and I just ended up adding actually just one orange, and then I chopped it in half. So added 1 orange, but I chopped it in half to make it easier on the juicer. And so after I took those beet greens out, it was a smoother process. Even with the beetroot, it ended up, juicing the beetroot just fine. Obviously ended up juicing the orange just fine. But those beet greens, either the juicer does not like the beet greens, or I needed to chop them up. At any rate, this is all trial and error when we're talking about juicing, or when we are talking about just living a healthier lifestyle. Some things work, some things don't work, but you have to try things to see what works. And now you can see the pulp coming out from the beets. And this beautiful color, as I have always said on this channel, means antioxidants. It means amazing for your beauty, amazing for your skin, amazing for your health and your digestive tract, amazing for blood purification, hydration, circulation. We can continue to go on and on, but I did the beets last for a reason. And so what I ended up doing after I juiced the beets, I added the beet juice into the mason jars. Another satisfying pour. So this is the next day. I split the beet juice up into both of the mason jars, and we had this in the morning because this is a very energizing juice. Have this before a workout or first thing in the morning to energize your day. Cheers to health. I'll see you in the next video.